So to show you that this circuit is also capable of producing sound, I replaced the vibrating motor with a small loudspeaker driven through a capacitor to remove the DC component. I replaced the timing capacitor by a 10 nanofarad instead of a 1 microfarad that was over there, and I programmed the Arduino with a little tune. When I switch it on, you will hear this. Sounds familiar? It should. Now the Arduino, the PWM frequency is so high that you cannot hear it, and the Arduino is modulating the pulse width of the PWM signal to play sounds.